Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Food and Everything Else. Today I will show you how to make almond butter at home step by step with just one ingredient. It's very easy to make and definitely it is very economy. Oh, and yes, that one ingredient is raw almond. I'm having here 1.5 cup raw almond which I'm gonna roast for 12 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. You can buy roasted almond, but it's better to roast it at home just before to make butter. And personally, I like that roasted flavor and roasted smell. And roasted nuts also release oil fast, which helps to turn it into butter quickly. It smells so good. Now our almond done with roasting, let's bring the food processor. You can do it in a high-speed blender also. I'm doing couple of pulses first to break down almonds. Just be aware of the sounds, it makes a really loud sound. Then let it blend for 1 minute. If you like, add a pinch of sea salt here. I just wanna avoid any extra salt. After 1 minute, you can see almonds break down into coarse texture, not powdery or smooth entirely. And in this point, scrape all the sides so all nuts blend properly. Now put the lid on and let it blend for 2 more minutes. I write down exact times for my blending time, but it could vary depend on your food processor or the high-speed blender. After 2 minutes, almonds forming into dough. I stop here to show you the texture, exactly how it look in this point, but you can keep blending it. Now put the lid back on and blend it until it forms into buttery texture. For me, it took 1.5 minutes, but again, the time can be vary. Mine looks like it done, so I'm going to stop here. Look at its creamy texture, just perfect buttery look. Now store it in a airtight bowl or airtight container. Actually, it's your choice. You can put in a mason jar. I am using just a glass bowl here because mine is not gonna stay longer, maybe 1 or 2 days, and you don't have to refrigerate it right away. It will be okay to leave outside or over the counter for a couple of days since we didn't use any other ingredients. But if you use like salt, maple syrup or sugar, maybe you wanna put in a freezer. I have no idea why I'm crushing those bubbles, so anyway, our butter is done. By now, you guys may notice I use almond butter pretty much in all my smoothies. I also enjoy it in my oatmeal, banana bread, muffins, and of course with fresh fruits and veggies like carrots and celery sticks. Okay, I can't stop eating, so I am going to say sayonara here, but before I go, let me remind you to subscribe my channel if you didn't already subscribed. Also, all my fall recipe series coming soon in couple of days, so stay tuned. See you on my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.